5 Microsoft OneNote tips for better note organization. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 powerful Microsoft OneNote tips that will instantly boost your note organization. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Tip 1. Use sections and section groups wisely. Instead of cluttering one section with too many pages, divide your notebook using multiple sections. And if you're dealing with a complex topic, group related sections together in a section group to keep things tidy. Tip 2. Create a table of contents. Manually create a table of contents page and add internal links to other pages within your notebook. This gives you a quick way to jump between key topics, especially when your notes get lengthy. Tip 3. Tag important information. Make use of tags like to do, important, or question to mark specific parts of your notes. This makes it easier to scan through your content later or find all tagged items in one search. Tip 4. Color code your sections. Assign different colors to your sections based on subject or priority. This visual cue can help you recognize and navigate to the right section quickly without even reading the titles. Tip 5. Use OneNote Search effectively. Rather than scrolling endlessly, use the search bar at the top to instantly find notes across all your notebooks. You can even search for tagged content or filter results by title and date. That's all for the video. Try these tips to turn your messy notes into a neatly organized system inside OneNote.